Ew, what is going on with my camera?
Maybe your lens is dirty. When's the last time you cleaned it?
I clean it all the time.
Don't let that be you. Cleaning your own camera is simple, safe, and something you should do regularly, so let's walk through it together. This is DIY in 5. Hey everyone, I'm Trisha Hirschberger, and you are watching DIY in 5, where we make tech simple enough you can do it yourself in a nice quick video. Today we're discussing the best ways to clean and maintain your camera equipment. If you find these tips helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get to the good stuff. First, the tools you'll need. A small blower, brushes, and a synthetic fiber cleaning cloth or lens tissue. The tools you do not need: compressed air and dirty fingers. Compressed air may damage the image sensor, and dirty fingers, well, that's self-explanatory, so wash your hands. You can use the brush to gently sweep away any dust or debris that's loose on the camera surface or in the corners or smaller areas. Use the blower to remove any dust or dirt in the smaller areas that are harder to get to. Remove the lens cap and use your blower again. If there's a stubborn mess on that lens, spray a lens cleaner solution, if you have one, onto your soft cloth. Never spray directly on the lens itself. Or you can simply dampen your cloth if you don't want to use a solution. Wipe in a circular motion from the center of the lens outward. Some folks even like to have a second cloth that is used exclusively for drying. Now, if you are using a cloth, be sure to wash it between each cleaning. If you don't think you'll remember to do that, I recommend you invest in disposable lens cleaning tissues instead. Unless you change your lenses constantly, you probably won't need to get inside your camera to clean your sensor too often. An easy way to see if your camera sensor has dust on it is to take a photo of a blank white sheet of paper and look for dark dots or smudges on your photo. If you do notice an issue and want to clean your sensor, be very careful. Don't touch the surface of the sensor at all, and be cautious not to blow air on it too hard either. It's very delicate. If you're not comfortable cleaning the sensor yourself, there are camera shops that will offer a professional cleaning service to take care of that for you. For many photographers, periodically laying out every piece of your camera kit and cleaning your camera becomes kind of like a ritual, a bit of self-care that should be done every so often. After all, maintaining your camera equipment so it lasts is certainly a less expensive way to go than repairing something unusable or buying new. Speaking of camera maintenance, here are some great tips to help you avoid your camera gear getting dirty in the first place or taking other unnecessary wear and tear. First, use a filter. Using a screw-on protection filter not only protects the lens from dirt, but it also will take the brunt of the impact should your camera or lens be dropped. Second, if you shoot anywhere near water or outdoors where it may rain, it's a great idea to take a wet weather cover for your camera, even if your camera is weather sealed or water resistant. If your camera does get wet, wipe it down with your mini microfiber cloth and wait until it dries fully before turning it back on. Another tip for traveling photographers is to use a protective travel bag with separate padded compartments for each item. Not only will this protect your camera and lenses from bumps and drops, but it should also keep dirt and water far away. Finally, do not leave your equipment in a humid place or expose it to extreme temperatures. AKA, don't leave your camera bag in your car overnight. Pro tip, if you live or are working in a naturally humid place, pop a few silica packets in your camera bag to help maintain a dry environment. If you can lay your gear out separately to air out when it's not in use, even going so far as to take out the battery, that's the best option. So, main takeaways from today's DIY in 5? Protect your gear from dirt, water, bumps, humidity, and extreme weather, and don't forget to take everything apart and clean it every now and then. And when you do clean it, be very delicate and be sure to use the correct items to clean each part. Using a damp cloth to wipe a piece of sand off a lens, for example? No. I hope everyone found the tips in today's video useful. Share your own tips in the comments section, and I will see you next time with more DIY in 5.
Does that read yet, or do we need more?
We need more.
Please get more.